Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. And to get started, let's power off the device. Now this process also works if you have a screen lock that you might not know the pattern to. So you would select power off by holding the power key. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. So power, volume up. And from here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. And now, from the recovery mode, using both volume keys, so volume down will now go down and up will go up. You want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset and then confirm it with power key. Select yes again and wait for the process to finish, which will be indicated by the message at the bottom, data wipe complete, and then Reboot System now will be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot of the device. Now the device will be powering back on, or what will look like it's stuck in a way, for a couple minutes while the process continues in the background. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.